Let's take a live look now at Everett. After plenty of sunshine earlier today, some clouds are now moving in. We all know what that means. Christopher Dunley is here to explain what this extended forecast.
We have some rain chances that are yet again entering the forecast, but the next couple of hours are going to be dry, and then those rain chances increase as we work our way into latter parts of the evening. So if you do have any evening plans, especially just after dinner time, 1 or 2 showers are a possibility, so just plan accordingly. We're going to see those temperatures eventually fall into the lower to middle 50s by tomorrow morning, and again, we have a chance for a few rain showers as we work our way into latter parts of the evening into the overnight hours. But before we saw that uptick in the cloud cover, temperatures really responded to that sunshine. Many areas climbed into the lower 70s this afternoon. 70 in Seattle, the warm spot Bremerton 74 degrees, Shelton, Chehalis, as well as Puyallup hit 73. Even Hoquiam on the coast 72 degrees this afternoon, and our temperatures right now really aren't too far removed from those high temperatures. We're still sitting at 70 degrees in Seattle despite that cloud cover moving in. 73 in Bremerton, 69 in Everett, 62 in Oak Harbor. Good afternoon in Arlington, 68 degrees. So it's pretty mild out there. You don't need the jacket or even the long sleeve if you have any plans over the next few hours. Notice the cloud cover really starting to increase across the area, and this is ahead of a cold front that's going to work its way in. That's what's increasing those rain chances, and you can see we're already seeing a few returns on radar. This looks a little more impressive than what's actually happening at the surface. We still have quite a bit of dry air, so it's going to take a while for this to eventually reach the ground, but it will. We just have to kind of moisten up the atmosphere over the next couple of hours. Here are some of the returns that are showing up for parts of Pacific, Grays Harbor, Mason, Thurston, Lewis counties. Again, a lot of this likely evaporating before it reaches the ground, but you're seeing the cloud cover start to lower and darken, and that is a sign of those few rain showers that will eventually start to dance across the area. Where there's that possibility of some rain right now is pretty much along 101 from Forks to Discovery Bay. We're starting to see some of those darker returns, those dark green colors. So some of this may be reaching the ground, especially from Lake Crescent to Port Angeles along 101. So don't be surprised if you see a raindrop or two hit the windshield. Largely dry over the next few hours, but we see that uptick by 10 p.m. in the rain activity, especially from the San Juan Islands down into northern and central parts of Puget Sound and possibly into the foothills as well. Notice how quick hitting this is. It moves out by early tomorrow morning. We're left dry at 6 a.m. Cloudy start to the day, but dry for that morning commute. And we could even see some sun breaks by tomorrow afternoon, which should allow those temperatures to rebound back to around 70 degrees. But we do have some more widespread heavier rain in the forecast. So if you have any yard work to do, you may want to do it now or tomorrow before some heavier rain moves in. We have an atmospheric river that's set up. This is around 7 p.m. on Thursday. Notice these dark green colors moving into the Pacific Northwest. That's that atmospheric river, that subtropical moisture that's going to move in, producing some heavy rainfall rates for all of western Washington. And we have a secondary push of that atmospheric river moisture for late Friday into Saturday. And it looks like when all said and done, we could pick up around an inch, maybe 2 inches of rain for the foothills as well as the mountains. All of Puget Sound expected to pick up around an inch of rain, so this will be a pretty heavy rain event. Luckily, no widespread flooding is expected. Maybe some nuisance flooding where you have poor drainage areas, but the rivers right now are expected to remain below flood stage. We'll continue to keep a really close eye on that. But the wet period again is going to be late Thursday into early Friday, and then again for your Saturday. That's when we're going to see the wettest conditions out there. I think we should salvage Sunday with a high of 65 degrees. 1 or 2 showers still a possibility, and we hold on to those temperatures in the 60s for your Monday and Tuesday, so make sure you enjoy this evening and tomorrow.